To make ratatouille today. I'm so excited because it's so colorful and it's all vegetables. You only need 5 ingredients for this recipe. We're going to use Japanese eggplant, zucchini, yellow squash, and Roma tomatoes. I want to thank you all, my fans. To begin with our ratatouille, we're going to take a large Spanish onion. And if you don't have yellow onion, you can use any other onion. We're going to cut large pieces of onion, put it into our saucepan. We want it to brown. Saute the onion, medium high. To give it flavor, we're going to put thyme. I don't use too much this herb, but for this dish, it really adds flavor. I'm going to take like 4 or 5 stems, and you can put the stems in the dish for flavor, and then I'll remove it when the onion is ready. I feel like I'm in a casino right now. These are all my chips. Who wants to play? Okay, I'll get back to serious work here. Okay, tomatoes. Usually Roma works best. I have no time for this. Yes, I do. Plenty of time. We're going to wait till it really browns our onions. It really gives it a great aroma, the thyme. I removed the thyme twigs from the pot. We're going to layer our ratatouille. So we'll take an eggplant, take a tomato, we'll take a green zucchini, a yellow squash. So you have these 4. It doesn't matter what order you go, but you want to keep consistently with the colors. This is our dish. How beautiful and colorful this is. We're going to add 2 bay leaves. We're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon of pepper. And about a quarter cup of olive oil. We're going to cook this at a 350 degree oven. We're going to cover it for 30 minutes with foil and then uncover it for another 30. Here we are, we covered our dish. We're going to add our garlic. We put a tablespoon of garlic cut up, and now we're going to put about a tablespoon of thyme. We're going to add 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. You want your crumbs to be brown, but you don't want to burn them. This is how your crumbs should look like, golden color. When you're ready to eat your dish, you will put the crumbs on top of your dish. So really this will be the last stage to prepare. Also, I used butter for the crumbs. You could use olive oil. Remove the bay leaves. Thank you for joining me.